जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अभी सरकार उनको कह रही है कि फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए? क्या सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है? क्या सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती?
In this case, Lalman Shukla was a servant of Gauri Dutt and Gauri Dutt's nephew was missing. गौरी दत्त के नेफ्यू की जो है वो गायब हो जाता है, तो उसे ढूंढने के लिए गौरी दत्त अपने सर्वेंट को भेजता है टू फाइंड नेफ्यू. बट while the servant is gone to find the nephew, उसके एब्सेंस में जो गौरी दत्त है वो एक एडवर्टीजमेंट करता है, वो एक अनाउंसमेंट करता है दैट whoever brings back my nephew will get a prize money. This certain prize money is announced for anybody who is bringing back my nephew to home. I will give him this money. All right. Now this Lalman Shukla, he does not know that this kind of offer exists. तो ये जो है पर्सन लालमन शुक्ला जाते हैं यहाँ पर नेफ्यू को फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं और गौरी दत्त को ये नेफ्यू दे देते हैं. टू विच गौरी दत्त says, okay fine, I will not be giving you any amount for award though. Why? Because you did not know about the offer. ऑफर मैंने उन लोगों को दिया था जो लोग यहाँ पे उस वक्त मौजूद थे, तुम यहाँ पर उस वक्त थे ही नहीं. You went out to find my nephew because you are my servant, because I told you to do so, right? So you did not go and find out the nephew for the award money. That is why I will not give you the award money. Now here the question before the court is that whether this was a valid contract, whether how can this be a valid contract? If there was a valid proposal, if there was a valid offer, then it would be a valid contract. So here the offer, the announcement made by Gauri Dutt to all the persons was a valid offer. Anyone in the general public could have accepted that offer. It was a general offer. However, this particular Lalman Shukla did not know about the offer. He had no knowledge about the offer, and that is why he could not have communicated his acceptance. So in order to communicate your acceptance, you must know about the offer. If there is no knowledge of the offer, there can be no communication of the offer, of the acceptance, and therefore there can be no valid agreement and no contract. This is what was held, that Lalman Shukla cannot recover the award money because he did not know about the offer, he did not communicate his acceptance. So you can write it down if you want to.
Subscribe for more content.